Hi guys. I haven't been posting in a couple of days and I miss it. Been quite kind of busy, somewhat. But today I am doing the unboxing of my new tripod I got. I am so excited, really excited. Like my old tripod, the legs fell off. It came out of like this little part. I tried to glue it back on, but it didn't work, so I just ended up getting a new one. I got this one from Walmart. It was like $16. Well, $16.83, which was like about $17, $18. I just got it this morning, and I wanted to do an unboxing for you guys, just in case you're in the market to look for a new tripod, especially when you're starting off with YouTube, like starting out new with it, which I am, and I don't have the big gadgets yet, but I eventually will. So let's get started. A flexible tripod is by On, I guess, yeah. It's ideal for uneven surfaces. It's GoPro Hero mount. So I'm guessing, well, I'll show you what's inside when I open it. It's a heavy-duty bendable leg joints for use on uneven surfaces. Quick release mounting plate fits securely on both the tripod and the camera. Compatible with the GoPro and other action cameras. With a 1/4 inch 20 mount, and it supports up to 1.1 pound. It looks pretty sturdy, so I'm going to open it. Let's see. Got this, the tripod itself, and I'm guessing this is the GoPro mount. You guys see? I'll open it. Yeah. See, that's the mount. I'm not too familiar with the GoPro mount, so I don't know if this is just what it's supposed to be, and then you'll be able to hook your camera up onto it, or do you need something else to go with it? I'm not sure. These instructions, I'm pretty sure it's simple to kind of operate without even having to read the, she's showing you guys, without having to read the instructions. It's a pretty simple tripod. So, first, it seems very sturdy. So yeah, oh yeah. That's much better than my old one. The old one, it had like it's kind of like a styrofoam legs, but they weren't really styrofoam. They were just, I don't know, they were one of those cheap kind I got off Amazon, and it didn't work. But this seems pretty sturdy. So I'm guessing this is the, maybe I do need to read these because I don't know anything about them. This is the release handle with rotating lock. So I guess like when you want to move your camera downward or upward, and this says cut out for virtual shooting mode. So this part right here. And it has the quick release post right here. And the ball head lock lever. So this locks, this little piece right here, locks the ball so it won't move if you want your camera or phone to stay like this. Let's try to tighten it up. Okay, I tightened it up. See? It's not even moving at all. Nope. And then we'll loosen it up. Now that's too loose. But I don't think nobody want their camera to be, well, I don't know. I mean, I guess you could have it like that to where if you're like talking face to face to it. But I don't want mine that loose. I'm just gonna tighten it back up. And this one does kind of, I mean, it connects, like if you have like a pole that you want to sit your camera or phone on, and you can kind of connect it like that. It feels very sturdy. Yeah, I like this one. I think it was a good money's worth. $17 wasn't bad. There we go. Bless you. So you guys, it looks like all the way down. You can have it like that. It's like flat down. I like that. So, overall review on this. So far, I like it. It's very sturdy already. I can't wait to use it. See, and then I can't wait to see how it holds up with vlogging and recording. So I'll probably come back to you guys in about 3 weeks, kind of do a review, another review on it, kind of update. I forgot to mention that it's for a camera mount, the GoPro, and a smartphone mount. So you can use any type of recording device that you want on here. But that's pretty much of it. So I guess I'm going to start using this today, and I will see you guys later. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, okay? And hit that subscribe button, smack it. Don't hit it, smack it. And I will see you guys later. Bye.